We are Pedia, and this is our capstone final project for the fall of 2024. For our team members, we have Addison Gordon, which is me, who did the front-end development, shelter coordination, and AI development. We had Emily Reynolds, who did back-end development, database systems, web hosting, and networking. George Mabbitt, who did back-end development, API integrations, and database systems. And Sungjin Park, who did back-end development, security, and database systems. Our goals were to educate current and prospective pet owners about the specific needs and responsibilities associated with various species. We wanted to minimize animal abuse, neglect, and mistreatment through empowering owners through knowledge, or potential owners through even more knowledge about their specific pets. And overall, we wanted to decrease animal return rates to shelters that are already full, just due to the lack of education that people usually get a pet on a whim. Our project is an all-inclusive resource for prospective and current pet owners to find information they need about their pets. We strive to seamlessly connect aspiring pet owners with local animals in need of loving homes. We also partnered with the local shelter, Rough Haven, to understand their needs and advocate for adoption and encouraging compassionate choices over shopping for pets.
Hello, my name is Emily Reynolds, and I will be going through our application. So here we have our homepage, just has some brief information about our goals and what we strive to do. So let's look over to our wiki. Our wiki has many different species that users can learn more information about. So let's look at dogs. Here we have a list of many different dogs that users can look through. So let's go and search for shepherd dogs. And as we see here, we have our matches for different shepherds. And say that I'm interested in an Australian shepherd, we have some information here about this dog, and we can click this link to read more. It will bring us to a Wikipedia page that has more information about this specific pet. If we come over here to the adoption page, we can insert our zip code and about how far we're willing to drive to get this pet. And again, since we were looking at Australian Shepherds, let's go for Australian Shepherd again, and we can click this search button. When this comes up, it gives us matches that are within our range. And here we have our top match, which is Missio, and it gives us a fun little blurb about the pet and some information, and it gives us a link here that we can go and click to follow to the shelter where this pet is currently living at. And as you can see, it will bring up any of the pets that match our criteria that we are looking for here. Now, if we go to our quiz page, we can answer some questions regarding what kind of pet we're looking for, and this quiz will match us with a pet that fits the criteria. So let's say that we're looking for a cat. We can click here, cat, and it will ask us some questions that are species specific. And so let's say I'm looking for an energetic and playful cat, affectionate, social, and here we have the results. It will match us with a score here, the highest score being 7. And it will give us a list of all of the different pets that meet that specific criteria, with the highest score being on top and the lowest score being on bottom. Now we can come over to our forum page. Here is a page that allows users to interact with other users by creating a post. We can come here, go through this, and create a post. And we can do other interactions such as liking and commenting. Here we have some specific forum posts or forum pages. So say let's look at small mammals. And we see that our small mammals page has pet posts that are to do with small mammals. Same thing with dogs. As we can see here, our dogs page has pets regarding dogs, or posts regarding dogs, and our main forum just has all of the posts that our users create. We come over to our shelters page. This has some information about the shelter that we are working with. And this is some information regarding how to contact them and their goals as the shelter. We can click these buttons here on the side to give us more information. So let's say we click on the foster button and it gives us a fun little blurb about what kind of information is provided about fostering a pet. And we can click these links and it will take us to their specific website that provides more information about that. And if we come to our map page, we can look for specific stores. Either as a prospective pet owner, we are looking for shelters and adoption agencies, and as current pet owners, we are looking for pet supply stores. And we can put in a different city. So this is currently showing a Salt Lake area. We can put in, let's say, Seattle. And it brings us to Seattle. Here we have current pet owner, so this is just giving us pet supply stores. And we can switch this over to prospective pet owner. And this gives us different shelters and pet places where we can adopt pets from. If we come to our profile page, we have the ability for users to add their own pets here. And we also have a button over here that has lists all of the posts created in the forum page by this user, and this is where we can then delete these posts. And here we can click a little button in the corner that will bring up our chatbot, and we can ask this chatbot questions that may not be answered elsewhere on our website. So for example, here I ask, can I feed my guinea pig carrots? It will give me some answer, so saying like yes, but in moderation. And if I ask the chatbot questions that are not regarding pets, it will say, sorry, I do not have information that you are looking for. I only answer questions based on pet care.
For our tech stack, in order to build Pedia, we used a wide variety of resources. Java serves as the backbone of our website, ensuring robustness, scalability, and security. We used AWS for our server infrastructure, which guarantees reliability and flexibility to handle varying loads. The Spring framework, along with its related components, empowers our backend development, streamlining processes, and facilitating rapid iteration. On the front end, we prioritize user interface and experience by incorporating things such as Bootstrap, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, crafting an intuitive and visually appealing platform for our users. Our data management relies on MySQL and AWS, ensuring efficient storage and retrieval of pet-related information. Furthermore, we integrated various external APIs such as Google Maps for location services, the dog and cat API for comprehensive pet data, personalized web scrapers for additional species information and tailored adoption, and ChatGPT for the bones of our chatbot, therefore providing Petpedia with a wealth of information and capabilities. As for our software practices, we had about 230 commits. In addition, we also had approximately 150 issues, and in total, we had about 40 hours a week combined amongst the group in order to complete this project. In conclusion, Petpedia provides a ton of information for various users. The wiki provides useful information about pet species. The quiz matches users' best fit based on a point system and their lifestyle. The forum promotes community engagement between users, and the map provides local shelters or pet supply stores based on what the user needs. And our chatbot answers any pet-related questions that users may have. Thank you for watching our presentation.